If you decide to live in university managed halls, we will support your health and well-being with a free Platinum Pass to the Sports Centre. This includes unlimited access to the 5 specialist gym zones, unlimited Fit Together group exercise classes, the climbing wall, swimming pool and sauna. Those not living in halls can take up the fantastic package for £125 for the academic year. We have top-of-the-range Matrix Fitness cardio equipment installed in all gym areas during 2017, featuring the latest interactive virtual reality technology. You can challenge yourself to run in the Sahara, cycle in the Alps, or climb the world's tallest building in Dubai. The room is user-friendly and open to all levels of fitness. Our training room is equipped with the very latest state-of-the-art Matrix Fitness resistant machines for an all-over body workout. Our machines will enable you to train effectively and comfortably with adjustable settings for all levels of fitness. We have a gym instructor on duty most days to help you with training and tips on how to maximise your session. We have a designated free weights training room for women for strength and conditioning workouts with a lifting platform, a good selection of free weights, kettlebells, BOSU, plus an area stretching or general conditioning work. The free weights room offers you a more specific and natural form of training. Emphasis in this area is focused on strength and conditioning exercise, using our comprehensive range of free weights on offer. The dedicated S&C platforms are ideal for individuals who are following a specific program to optimize performance for their chosen sports. Downstairs, we have an additional all-round plate-loaded and bench room where you can train the main specific muscle groups with our robust plate-loaded equipment and TRX area. Our main sports hall is not only the home of Team Aber and home for our clubs, but a huge space for more busy fit-together classes such as circuits, HIIT and Zumba. You are also able to use this area under free play IMS programs with your friends. Box Rocks is our indoor bouldering wall where you can practice your climbing skills and learn how to improve your technique and competence. We offer lessons to beginners and we have a great climbing club to help you make friends and go on outdoor climbing trips. We have a fabulous dance studio which is the beating heart of not only our Fit Together exercise classes but also the location for many of the clubs such as dance sport, aikido and fencing. We have over 50 classes per week here and you can try anything from Pilates to yoga, body fit and the in vogue high intensity interval training program HIIT. We have 2 outdoor all-weather floodlit training facilities that clubs or individuals can use for hockey, football and even rugby on our 3G pitch. Located directly outside the sports centre with an excellent 400-metre track surrounding it, this is a well-used facility.